Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. I'm going to show you a simple but very powerful technique to find stocks on the move. And let's go and have a close look. Before we get going here, please note, let's move myself out the way, our license numbers. In addition, please note, general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. And as always, past performance is no guarantee of future results. Now with that said, I'm going to jump straight to the chase here. So here we go. I'm going to jump out here. And here I am, I'm in VectorVest. So what I'll do here is I'll just minimize myself just a little bit here. And we have this powerful tool called Stock Viewer. We can go rank, sort, analyze stocks for all sorts of things in combination with another tool called Unisearch. I don't want to overload you there with information. I just simply want to point out this one indicator here, relative timing. So here, as of the 28th of August, this shows me the quickest moving stocks in Australia. So if I do this, if I come in and let's go and graph the first couple here. All right. So relative timing, that indicator I spoke about before, I'll just put this one on first to begin with. So this is on a scale of 0 to 2. Looks at the short-term price momentum taking place. It's an incredibly powerful indicator because when it breaks above 1 like here, all right, so relative timing on a scale of 0 to 2, here we are, 1.85, look at that, or 1.27 should I say. It broke out there, it didn't fall below 1, it held just above 1, 101, and it kept racing up. And so you can see roughly here, where it breaks above 1, just there, all right, so it breaks above 1, $1.98.5, call it $1.99 was the price. Relative timing hasn't broken below 1 since. And look at the share price rocketed all the way to $4. Now, if I show you the next one here, and pull this back just a little bit here, you'll see there'll be periods of time where it might go up. And yes, share price does go up a little bit, but then it falls back down, goes up, falls back down, bounces around. How can we smooth this out? So what I've done at VectorVest here, you can easily do this. So I've just simply added a 40-day moving average on the relative timing indicator. So let's take that off for now. That smooths it out. Now it makes it very simple to see. So now we're smoothing out our proprietary indicator. And look at that. Breaks below 1 here. It's not a good time to be in. Where was the price? $5.68. Falls all the way. Look at that. All the way down to $2.35. And here you start to see the 40-day moving average on that technical indicator picking up. It breaks above 1 here, so it smooths it out nicely. There we are, and you can see relative timing has gone above 1, of course, but the 40-day moving average on relative timing is now above 1, and so that could be a good entry point. Look at that. And so where was the price? There, $3.41. Look at the price now, $5. And if I go back to the prior example, look how easy it is. It jumps out. There we are. There's your entry point. It breaks above 1, and this is the 40-day moving average on relative timing. Here's relative timing. We've smoothed it out a bit more. And look at that. $2.19. Price has doubled pretty much. And so you can work your way through here and you can find some amazing opportunities here. Again, you know, breaks above 1 here. $1.73. Now it's nearly $3. Okay, there's another great example here. We have to pull it back a little bit further. Let's see, where does it break above 1? Ooh, look at that. 1.05. No, it stayed above 1. Phenomenal. So it'll be interesting to see this entry point. Look at that, just there. There we are. So the price was $1.30. Look at the price now, $5.40. Okay, so the power of VectorVest. If you're not already a subscriber, take out a trial. Go and sort all your stocks by relative timing. Then graph the top relative timing stocks and add a 40-day moving average to your RT. Just simply right-click on relative timing, add moving average, simple, and select 40-day, and it'll pop up. And you just simply select it. There it is. That's how easy it is to do, to find those top-performing stocks. Here they all are at my fingertips, and I'm just showing the top 10. I can go in here and show the top 100 and work my way through the list. Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.